Welcome everyone. In this walkthrough we will look at metal carbonates. We'll start off by identifying the products of a thermal decomposition reaction. This is linked to structure, bonding and balanced chemical equations. Next, you will have to use your knowledge of relative atomic mass and relative formula mass to identify a group 2 metal. It's a GCSE question. The content is also relevant to A-level and BTEC level 3 students. I'm going to use black text for the question, red text for additional information, and blue text for the answer. Pause the video at any time and attempt the question yourself. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. Group 2 metal carbonates thermally decompose to produce a metal oxide and a gas. Give the formula of each product when calcium carbonate, CaCO3, is heated. In this type of reaction, heat energy, also known as thermal energy, breaks chemical bonds in the reactants. The reactant is broken down into two products. We are given the formula of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Metal oxides are ionic. Ionic bonds form between metals and non-metals. Calcium is in group 2. It will lose 2 electrons to become a 2+ ion. Oxygen is in group 6. It will gain 2 electrons to form a 2- oxide ion. Anions and cations combine to make compounds with no overall charge. Calcium oxide has the formula CaO. The calcium and oxide ions bond in a 1:1 ratio. Now let's think about the other product that must be formed. Gases are made up of molecules. A molecule is a small group of atoms that are bonded covalently. Covalent bonds occur between non-metals. The atoms that are present in the gas must be carbon and oxygen. Carbon dioxide will also be produced in this reaction. Here's the next part of the question. The relative formula mass Mr of a group 2 metal carbonate is 197. We are given the relative atomic masses Ar of carbon, which is 12, and oxygen, 16. Calculate the relative atomic mass of the group 2 metal in the metal carbonate. Name the group 2 metal. Group 2 metals form ions with a 2+ charge. The carbonate ion has a 2- charge. If we use the symbol M for the group 2 metal carbonate, the formula for this compound will be MCO3. The relative formula mass is found by adding up the atomic masses for each atom present in one formula unit of the substance. We are given the value of Mr in the question and the atomic masses of all the atoms apart from the group 2 metal. We will call the atomic mass of the group 2 metal X. Substitute the values into the equation that you are given in the question. Next, rearrange the equation to find the value of X. Finally, to identify the metal, you have to use your datasheet. Find the element in group 2 with an atomic mass that is closest to 137. The group 2 metal is barium. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please post in the comments if you've got any questions or suggestions. And if you want to stay updated about the latest videos, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Take care and goodbye.